Welcome to Loveland Castle.
Look at this. Built by one man starting in 1929.
If you love anything medieval, boy, does Ohio have a place for you.
Be careful.
Chateau La Roche, better known as Loveland Castle, an actual castle built 1/5 the size of an actual medieval castle by the banks of the Little Miami River by a man.
He died twice.
That's right, as in more than once. We've got the story, not clickbait, we promise.
Look at this doorway. I know it's not a doorway.
And get ready to dust off that old suit of armor you've stashed in the attic. You could become an actual knight for the castle.
I can't wait till I'm knighted. Sit around in my lounge chair, robe, eat chips.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
This is an actual castle built to 1/5 the scale of an actual castle, except for the doorways like this. And it started with one man, Sir Harry Andrews, in 1929. He told a couple of his scouts, "You give me some stones, I'll build you a couple of towers." And he did.
When you think about a castle, you don't think about how the horses actually got out. This was a replica of what it would look like if the horses were going really, really fast to get out of the castle, to end up down by the water, and then also to run away.
This is where the knights would get on their horses and still be protected by the castle. The arrows couldn't get into them, and these doorways made it practically impossible for horses to come storming in with another rider. One of the interesting things about Sir Harry Andrews is he died twice. Seriously. Sir Harry contracted meningitis, and people thought he was dead, the doctor and everybody. As a matter of fact, his family was told, he's gone. But when they went to perform an autopsy on his seemingly lifeless body, he bled, which means the heart was still pumping, so he couldn't be dead. Not wanting to waste an opportunity, they saw this as the perfect chance to test a new drug that helped increase the rate of blood circulation called adrenaline. So they gave him a shot of adrenaline, and that brought him back to life. Much to the dismay of his fiancée, probably, but then again, she married his friend right after she found out he passed away, so don't know.
Zeus and forsooth.
Ready? Here we go into the dark depths.
Oh, wow.
This castle was designed not only to resemble a real castle, but the doorways are actual doorways that would have been used during the medieval times to protect people against marauders. Uh-oh, they say there's a wild man. I'm thinking his wild days are probably behind him. Yeah, just saying. To give you an example of the doorways we're talking about, Vanessa is 5'8" and has a duck to get under this right here. That is so low. Then you've got this staircase that winds up, and they are so narrow you actually have to hold on to the wall to go up them. And they've got us closed off for right now, but these steps are irregular sizes, irregular heights. And again, it was all about protecting the castle and the fortress back in medieval times.
He evidently, I don't know for sure, but as we walk around, there's different dates stamped in different things. And this one is stamped 1990, so I'm thinking maybe he created this door back then. This door is actually the regular size, is what they tell us. The interesting story, and I gotta make sure I get my numbers right. So it has 2,380 nails in it. It is 3 layers, which means this door is not just this wood, but there's 3 layers of it. And it is 258 pieces of wood to create it. It's not that big, but they say that once this door shuts, no one could get in.
So if you want a cup of sugar, you're out of luck. Sorry.
Came out of an old church in Cincinnati. It was a bishop's chair. It was headed straight for the dumpster because they were tearing down the old church to build a more modern one.
Looks kind of like the kitchen with the jail door. Yeah. Don't touch the snacks. We get to go up the fun staircase. Wow. Talk about narrow. Wow.
Are there like new members that they get now?
These stairs are so small and tight. I couldn't see anybody storming a castle trying to come in here quick. Wow. See how narrow these windows are? These were a line of defense because you could shoot an arrow out of them and get your target pretty well without anyone hitting you back.
Look at this doorway. I know it's not a doorway.
Makes you feel kind of you're walking into an elf wonderland. And what was this room locked up for?
It's a bedroom.
It's a bedroom? Yeah, you can check out, but you can never leave. You should put that in a song. We're in the second floor. Looks like the banquet room. Looks like you would have a feast fit for a king in this place. Definitely got some ambiance. Electric fireplace is I'm sure it's in later add-on. And I like the bathroom. There are certain places you just can't go at Loveland Castle. The floor, by the way, is very squeaky. This would be a most excellent reading nook. I said reading nook. I haven't said nook and I don't think I've ever said it. And you've got this cool balcony. We shot a shot of it a minute ago. You get to look over all your property. It's really neat. Reminds me of the Romeo and Juliet thing, you know? Romeo, Frato, Romeo. And these are a third set of stairs that I think they have the top blocked off. This is where they would melt lead into those tiny windows, the slits. They would pour it down on anyone who's trying to invade them. I think this, or it, you know, could just be the patio barbecue area for the king. Oh, I was so close. Seriously, if you come here, you have got to be careful on these stairways. Man, I am definitely holding on. Terra firma. So, hon, how does it feel touring the castle on a 90-degree day?
I think it's 190. I don't know. I am covered in sweat.
It's sweaty.
But I love this guy beside us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't wait. Wait till I'm knighted. Oh, it's going to be so cool. Look at this. Get to wear this kind of stuff. Just sit around in my lounge chair, robe, eat chips.
You know you have to work for it.
Work? What do you mean work?
You have to serve one whole year here before you even get considered to be a knight.
You gotta work?
Yeah. And you got to be voted in. So they don't just, say, come on, Jim, get on and be a knight.
You gotta be voted in, yeah.
And you got to make a lot of decisions.
Yeah, forget that one. Again, so close, yet so far.
So can women be knights here?
Ooh. Seriously, I don't think women can be knights. Because look at the outfit. You would have to wear this. There's no way. You can accessorize outside of a mace.
Look at the shoes, though. Those are pretty cool.
Okay, I'm not complaining, guys, but it's a little stifling in there. Whew, okay. Okay, I got my second win.
We want to go out this way. Unless, do you guys want to go up? Caleb, should we go up?
Now we have to walk out.
I want to see what
Oh, the stairs.
Okay, well then go ahead and go. There's no waiting on us.
You guys get here to see this. You are going to be blown away by these staircases. We're not kidding. And of course, they have a gift shop. Just so you can get a little souvenir. That is a cool one too. I like that. Look what we found underneath the castle on the other side. Remember that steep walk we went down? This is what was on the other side. That is so awesome. It doesn't stop there. There's another one. What's this? It looks like it's maybe a garage. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'm intrigued now. I want to go in there. Don't worry, I won't.
Heck is
What? What'd you find?
that? I can't hurt.
That is weird. Look at that. What is it? You guys know what this plant is? Put it down in the comments, because we don't have a clue. It's got some kind of brushy thing on the end of it. It looks like the Ohio River is right there, and some people taking advantage of a lazy river situation. Not only does it look peaceful, wait for it. That's right, we got a lazy river action going on. It's tubing. That's a long way down. Don't want to trip on that stuff. Somebody trashing the place?
Yeah.
Really?
Water bottle they left and they didn't throw it away.
Look at this, look at this, folks, and people are leaving trash around. Come on, y'all. Not going to assume that anyone has to go to the bathroom in that little lazy river situation. It's a bunch of guys, you know. Nah. So we sit to spell on the quarry stone. My lass, my lady. No, we're gonna read it. Okay. What does it say? It says something. Can't make it out. I know the camera can't figure it out. Such an awesome place to have a fire pit. I want one like this at home. I just don't want to have to build it, that's all. And I would have to build it, so. Yeah.
You know
What? What?
that we could put seats like that around ours at home.
Oh, we could.
We could.
Could.
And then we could call it the Knights of the Round Table.
Round fire pit.
Fire
Yeah.
Pit. Sir Jim and Surist.
Surist?
Vanessa.
Lady Vanessa.
Lady Vanessa.
Lady Vanessa.
What was I thinking?
Yeah, just as soon as Jim builds it, right? Okay.
We hope that you enjoyed this time with us today. It was a hot day, but we loved it, and we hope you enjoyed it as well.
Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. Remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. What time is it? What time is it? It's a sundial. And it's cloudy. I don't know what time it is. Okay. This was either where you went when you did something wrong, or the medieval version of Wall Street. Stocks and bonds. Ow. Ow, ow, ow.